So, what's it like running a real estate team with your wife?
I wouldn't do it with anybody else.
That's amazing.
It truly is.
Running a team with your husband is intense, but juggling life and real estate to make it all work is also gratifying. We love to strategize the best way to do things and bounce ideas off of one another. Bob's extensive knowledge of the building industry and pointing out the merits of a home are second to none. He is creative, funny, and understands people.
Working with Bob and Sandy Bolcar has been incredible. They've made the home buying experience seamless, and we couldn't be happier.
With over 40 years in the business of selling real estate, Sandra's experience is priceless. Her ability to set clear expectations for her services makes her a great listing agent. She knows how to get things done.
We head up the Bolcar Team out of Montclair, New Jersey. Each team member offers a unique contribution to the group. We love working in the Montclair area, as it's one of the leading towns in New Jersey where people want to move to.
My name is Keith Wright. I've been a mortgage originator for the past 25 years, working with the Bolcar Team on many transactions. The Bolcar's hands-on approach, from finding the best home in a perfect neighborhood to negotiating contracts, home inspections, and walking right to closing, leads to seamless transactions.
Our team mission is to elevate our clients' experience to the ultimate level.
What is it really like working with me?
It's amazing.